Friends, this is letter number 35. Letter number 35. Printed in the Hindustan Times, July 7, 1996. The Hindustan Times, July 7, 1996. In writing back column, Sunday magazine. Title is Only a Swadeshi Fad. Only a Swadeshi Fad. Only a Swadeshi, Swadeshi fad. Sir Abu Abraham article, Hindutva on hold. Sunday magazine, June 9. Considerably seen, SCANS, the debate on Vajpayee's confidence motion, that is from the point of view or the composition of the 11th Lok Sabha, the new faces, the standards of debate, the forceful eloquence, ELOQUENCE, eloquence of Professor G.G. Swell, SWELL, Swell against the ban on cow slaughter, SLAUGHTER. And last but not the least has CLARION, Clarion, call for convening, CONVENING, a conference for discussion on secularism. There is no need to comment on the composition. Because they are, after all, people's representatives. For a vegetarian like me, a ban or no ban does not matter. But as pointed out by Professor Swell, SWELL, it does matter to a lot of others. Imposition, IMPOSITION, on dietary, dietary habits has become a fad with our Swadeshis, SWADESHIS. If people remember, our great socialist leader who in 1977 was the Janta REGIME, regime, Industries Minister, banished banished Coca-Cola from the land. DEPRI VING. Millions of their choiced, CHOICEST, soft drink, and instead INSTEAD, imposed his own Swadeshi brand of Double Seven. Where is that 77 now? Where is that 77 now? Question mark. Where is that 77 now? Question mark. Naturally, such fascist tendencies TENDEN of the Swadeshi force want to think about secularism, this noble symbol of our pluralistic PU, PLU, PLURAL, ISTIC society has been distorted, DISTORTED, into DICTATING, DICTATING, people to eat and drink things not of people's own choice, but according to the choice of dietitian cum politicians. DIE DIETICIAN, dietitian cum POLITICIANS, dietitian cum politicians. Much can be DEDUCED from the hidden hysteria HYSTERIA of Hindutva forces, and therefore no purpose will be served by convening CONVENING any conference on secularism, because assurance given even in higher conferences CONFERENCES are openly flouted FLOUTED and floundered FLOUNDERED. It is the combined strength of the masses and the intelligentsia INTELLIGENTSIA to put checks on these gimmicks. Put check on the gimmicks. GIMMICKS gimmicks with the help of print media, which will improve the situation. Yours etc. Mahesh Inder Sharma, writer, station director, All India Radio, classical singer. This is letter number 35. Letter number 35. Title is Only a Swadeshi Fad. Printed in Hindustan Times, July 7, 1996. Vaheguru.